Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Recently we have seen that the price line of Stellar broke out this next resistance of 35 cents, and on the weekly time frame we are now above this 35 cents resistance level. That was a very strong resistance. Previously it has been working as a strong support. Right now it is working as a strong resistance, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price line will break out the next resistance levels or it will retest the previous resistance as a support. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, let me just show you this weekly time frame chart. In here we had a very strong resistance at 35 cents, and you can see that we had a nice rally up to 42 cents, and right now the price line is having some correction, and it is on the weekly time frame we are still moving above 35 cents, and the price line has also broken out the exponential moving average 21, this red line, on the weekly time frame. And there is a major development that we are going to receive a bull cross between the EMA 10. The blue line is the EMA 10 and the red line is the EMA 21. You can see that this smaller time frame moving average 10 is crossing up the bigger time frame moving average 21. And previously when we received this bull cross here, after that we had a very big rally up to approximately 80 cents, and right now we are again going to receive this signal. You can see that this blue line is crossing up this red line. Now let's move to this bull flag that I have been showing you in my previous videos as well, that the price line of Stellar formed a bull flag here, and after the formation of the bull flag the price line broke out the resistance of this bull flag, and still it is being accumulated above this 200 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that this was a perfect bull flag. If I place the Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then you can observe that the price line has been retraced up to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level after this rally. That is the perfect formation of the bull flag, and you can see that the price line formed this down channel. This down channel is more visible on the 4-hourly time frame chart. Let me just show you. We had a zigzag move in this down channel, and eventually the price line broke out the resistance of this down channel and the bull flag as well. And our next target after this breakout, let me show you the target again. If I place this pole of the flag here at the breakout point, then our next target for the bull flag is approximately at 46 cents, and I'm still waiting for that target. So far the price line has rallied up to 42 cents. Now it is being accumulated above this 200 simple moving average on the daily time frame. That is in itself is a very strong support. Now this was the target for the bull flag, and our bigger target is here, and this is the pattern that I shared in the month of June with my members at the Patreon, and that was a very big formation of a harmonic bullish reversal cypher pattern on the 2 weekly time frame chart. And I have been sharing these sell targets, the buying and sell targets, with you as well on the YouTube. And the price line completed this final leg, and I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line reversed bullish but did not hit the sell target so far. So this bigger move is still due, that is up to 67.57 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.